Hi, today we're going to show how to connect a camera to the DEBIX SOM I/O board and setting it up for image capture. Start by connecting the camera to the camera adapter board using an FPC cable. Then, connect the camera adapter board to the MIPI CSI-1 interface on the SOM I/O board using a dual-row CSI cable. Finally, connect the power supply and turn on the device. Open the DEBIX add-on board tool. Follow the prompts to switch to the camera's device tree and reboot the system. After rebooting, open the Cheese application. As you can see, the camera is successfully connected and can capture images or record videos in real time. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.